How's it going, everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is day 5 of the 7-day plant-based challenge for January, and I'm back on track here. I'm going to share what to eat to feel good, to not get sick. This is what you want to do. It was about a 4-hour eating window, so I ate 2 meals in 4 hours, getting some autophagy there too, helps strengthen the immune system and feeling good. So this was what I had yesterday. I did a strength training workout at midday around noon, 1 o'clock, and then I had my first meal at about 2 o'clock. So yeah, it was about an hour or so after my workout, and ate a meal about 2 o'clock and then a meal at about 5 o'clock, and here's what I had. At about 1:45, I started off with a juicy grapefruit. These are in season right now. Absolutely incredible, great way to start the meal. Then just after the grapefruit, about 2 o'clock, I put together a smoothie and I used 4 frozen bananas. It's a great base for the smoothies. I used a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. Great omega-3 fats. I used a few soaked dates and water. And I used a scoop of the Superfood and Muscles by Nature from Dr. Robert Morse, which are just dried plant foods like berries and greens. And I used a 1.5 cups of frozen berries and a couple handfuls of kale. And I used some cold pressed vanilla almond milk water. It's like almonds and dates and vanilla. Gives it some good flavor. Threw that together, and that thing was pretty big. It was almost 2 liters. So it took me about an hour to consume that. And then at about 5 o'clock, I put together a big green salad, a bunch of mixed greens. I used an avocado, sliced that up. I had a cucumber, and I sliced up 4 dates. It's a really good combination. And I threw on some walnuts as well. So started off my second meal with this salad, and there it is. I love that date and avocado combination. It's sort of a sweet, creamy combination. Try that out. And then just after the salad, I had a big sweet potato with some salsa and a couple servings of mixed vegetables. So that's how I finished off the meal. And I had a handful of dark chocolate almonds as well, a couple handfuls of those. So that was it for day 5. Things went really well on day 5. And if you want to see more videos on a plant-based lifestyle, intermittent fasting, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Got some good workouts, good workout routines as well. You can check out that playlist. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.